Okay, I'm going to try a little bit of video splicing here. Now I'm using Screencast-o-matic. And what has happened is the easy video that I made earlier has finally downloaded onto YouTube. Now the first thing that you'll notice is that there's no picture here, but I have played the video and it is there. So I don't I'm not quite sure I understand why there's not a thumbnail, but we're going to have to create one. And so that's why I'm doing the second part to the video, because I wanted you to see how easy it is to create a custom thumbnail. Now, what I'm going to do, I actually already did it, and then I sort of thought, hey, I should have recorded that, so I'm redoing it. So what I'm going to do is play the video. I think I'm going to do a video today on how to use Screencast-o-matic to, okay, I think I'm going to try to do some video editing on Windows Movie Maker, but just in case, I'm going to leave this intact, hopefully, even if it's two videos. But I'm going to try my skills today on pasting videos together using two different programs. That's why I don't know if it'll work. But for right now, I just want to show you how easy it is to make a custom thumbnail. I've found a place in my video that has something that would be appropriate for whatever it is that I'm doing here. And you can find the one that you want by sliding across like this to find the picture that you want to capture. I think I'd like to capture this picture one right here. Do back here. Okay. And so all I have to do, if you go to Jing, if you Google Jing, Jing, it's a free program. Let me move this up here. Okay, just put in Jing and hit enter. And then, let's see which one. Yeah, this techsmith.com, they're pretty good. Anytime you're downloading anything, I mentioned it in the previous video, just be sure and read everything so you don't wind up with a bunch of malware, because that's the last thing you want to have to deal with. Anyway, once you get it downloaded, you're going to have this right here on your screen. You should be able to see this right here. Oops. Should be able to see this right here. And it gives you options here. But we're going to use the capture. But what we're going to do is go back to that. Nope, not that one. That was from the previous. Here we go. I'm going to go back to this page. And this is, oh, I wanted to show you. I don't know if I can get it all in there. Let's see. Okay, cool. So you just use this and you just left click this. And then you're going to bring this up here and capture the part of the picture that you want to make into a custom thumbnail. So once you have it in a box like that, you just let it go and then come over here and do capture image. And then you can name it. And I'm just going to put Pixlr screenshot so that I know what it is. And then you come down here and hit save. And you save it wherever you want it. I put a lot of stuff in blog post folder, and then I need to go back and organize better. But okay, so you have that saved. So now you can come over here to, whoops, sorry. Back to YouTube. Back here, custom thumbnail. And then you find that picture. I named it Pixlr, so I'm looking for the P's. Pixlr screenshot and open. And see, it just puts it right there. Now, you have to make sure that you save changes, or it's not going to save that. So click Save Changes. And now that will be the thumbnail whenever you post the share link to your video on, say, Facebook or Google Plus or something, then it'll have that as the thumbnail. It'll show up with an image. So that's always nice to have an image. And when you're making your own videos and you come back here to Video Manager in your YouTube to do these sorts of changes, you'll see that you'll have probably 3 different thumbnails to choose from. Go ahead and look and see which one is the best shot as far as what you're trying to represent, or sometimes they catch you and your face isn't all crazy contorted, you're in the middle of a sentence or something. So look for the best picture or make your own. And then of course this is also where you would put in the title to your video, the description of your video. This is where you'd enter your keywords for SEO. This is where you would choose how you want it to be listed, and then you can put it on a playlist here. I'm putting it on business training motivation. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful, and I can combine all these together in Windows Movie Maker and make it all smooth with transitions. This is a challenge to myself. So thank you. Have a good day.